got another tree here today. This is a leaner that was hung up in a locust tree, so had some fun on it. As you can see, we are just taking off some of the small stuff before we make our way onto cutting some of this big wood. So I'll just let you guys enjoy, quit talking, and you'll see.
All right. What in the fuck is going on?
Alright, so as you can see, I was a little bit shocked that the tree did not fall over. However,
Let's just do that.
we just cut at the base and went from there. Unfortunately, I don't have a video of that, but yeah. Here is a little clip of the back of the house, though. Pretty nice neighborhood in West Des Moines, Iowa. So if you need any tree work done or a contract climber, give me a call.